Try this meat, Cameron.
I mean, this is delightful.
Can I go in
Oh
there?
yeah.
Go into not this, but here. 'Cause you
Yeah,
have to
not
take
off the plate
photos.
one. We get it off.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
so
yeah,
you
yeah.
have to take photos. We take photos.
Second, where's man?
She's not a huge, she doesn't love beef that much.
I know. I saw you looking at it.
It looks good, but it smells good.
Does it though?
Freezer or fridge, Charlize?
French, everything fit.
Can we get the other ones in?
How long did that take you? It was really long.
The filming?
Mm-hmm.
2 hours.
It's not bad.
Yeah,
Was it super fun?
it actually was. We did, and we got every shot. Good beef, right, Cam?
Yeah, it's good. Is that beef roast?
Mm-hmm. That is so good.
Still shots here.
When he's done shooting, we can dive in.
Last time I'm always impressed with attention to the visuals of the presentation too, where I'm just like, I just slap food on a plate, you know, like it's going to my stomach in a minute anyway, but
Mm.
What are you going for first?
I haven't had kiwi in a while. I just have an obsession with kiwis, but I'm used to make like my tongue feel weird.
grab Casey, want some kiwi? Grab some of that.
Mm.
Oh, that must have been stuck.
Is that like a fruit pecan?
I think it's free.
I just realized I ate almost all the cherry tomatoes.
And that's alright.
Oh, that's what it was. A
Mhm.
little pesto sauce
Oh yeah.
over the chicken. Here, get this shot.
Really?
Never actually had
On video?
Yeah.
I like
Slow-mo or?
it.
I don't know.
It doesn't need to be slow.
Yeah, let me just
Tell me when you're ready.
chicken
I'm gonna get it for it. I'm recording.
That was nice.
Is that canceling it?
I think so, yeah.
I don't think I like it.
That's good.
This one cancel for too long. Actually, it's weird. Where's that neck? You don't like it?
What is that?
Pie.
Why is it so gross? That's
I
disgusting.
think texturally you don't like it.
No, flavorly I don't like it. Why is it bitter?
I love it.
Tastes like dog.
Don't
vomit.
eat that.
Alright, I'm gonna try. No, I'm intrigued. Now I gotta try it. This is what we're talking
Yeah,
about.
it's
This-
like bitter.
I'm scared to try.
We gotta go into this.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
I wanted to spit it out when I.
It's not bitter to me. It's weird. Did you do the cinnamon pears?
I'm with you. I'm not a fan.
That is
I was gonna be
disgusting.
upset. I thought it was mango.
Mm.
No, you would have actually thrown up a
I
bit
was
right
so
there.
mad.
Yeah, I need a cinnamon to
Are we done?
cleanse my palate. No, this looks delicious.
Here,
You can just picture a big old slab of beef
Good
right there.
enough.
Take it. I don't have like shots of ghee. Take your glasses off and pose with some stuff here.
Mm.
Don't pose with this fruit.
I like that in the YouTube thumbnail to have you holding it kind of the way you were. And we kind of like that look too. For each one, we could just have you hold it up and get like close to your face or whatever.
I don't love the close to the face, but maybe.
It worked for the thumbnail.
Yeah, it works for the thumbnail, so let's do it. Let's do this.
I mean, it shows you, it shows your product, then we can add text to it, you know. That's good, right? A little tip here. I wouldn't point at it and bring your chin out just a little bit, just neck out just a touch. That's great.
What about that? Is that blocking it?
That's it. Good. Tilt the plate a little bit more towards me if you can without spilling it all. That looks good, alright. Right, chin out just a little bit more. There you go. Yep, I like that. Uh-oh, it was dripping off of there, wasn't it?
That's fine. Went on the beef.
Hmm?
Are we done? You wanna try? You getting more?
Of course I'm gonna try. Okay, let me get just a picture behind you. I have all this stuff here. good, nice. Oh, that's great. I love it. Yep. And yeah, I think when you do pictures, most people go back just a little bit and it gives a double chin. So don't necessarily so that you have it
But
go
go up,
out
yeah,
with your face,
yeah.
like bring your face closer to
Yeah.
it, if that makes sense. And it kind of helps. Oh, that's great. Lovely.
You
Nice.
shaved your beard, Dad?
I did.
Or was it getting to out hand?
I just yeah. I mean, I just want to shave it. Yeah.
Are you ever gonna go no facial hair?
Huh?
Are you ever gonna go no facial hair again?
Yeah, probably. You want to try this
I think you should try it.
chicken?